Hello, young coders. Welcome back to our Scratch adventure. I'm so happy to see you again. Today, we are going to learn two very important ideas in programming. They are called if-and loops. These two ideas will help us make our Scratch project smarter, more interactive, and much more fun. Don't worry if these words sound difficult. We are going to learn everything slowly and step by step. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to make your Scratch project make decisions, repeat actions, and even react when something happens. So, are you ready? Let's start coding. First, let's talk about if. What does if mean? Think about something you do every day. Imagine that you are outside and suddenly it starts to rain. What do? You open an umbrella, so we can say, if it is raining, then open an umbrella. Here's another example. If you are hungry, then you eat. If you are tired, then you sleep. If the traffic light is red, then you stop. Do you see the idea? First, we check something. Then we decide what to do. That's exactly how if works in programming. If tells the computer to check a condition. Then tells the computer what to do when that condition is true. Now, let's see how this works in Scratch. Open your Scratch project. Look at your Scratch cat. Today, we're going to make our cat a little smarter. We're going to give the cat a decision to make. Look at the colorful blocks on the left side of the Scratch screen. These are our coding blocks. Find the orange category called Control. Click Control. Now look carefully. Can you see the block that says : if then? Great, there it is. This is our if then block. Let's take a closer look. You can see a special space inside the if then block. This space is where we put our question. Scratch will check the question. If the answer is yes, Scratch will run the instructions inside the block. If the answer is no, Scratch will skip those instructions. That's the main idea behind if then. Now let's create a simple game. We are going to have a Scratch cat and a star. Our goal is very simple. We want the cat to catch the star. When the cat touches the star, the cat will say, I caught it. So our instruction is, if the cat touches the star, then say, I caught it. Let's build our game. First, we need to add our star. Look at the bottom right corner of the Scratch screen. Click Choose a Sprite. The sprite library will open. Look for a star. Click the star. Great. Now move the star to the right side of the stage. Our cat is on the left and our star is on the right. Perfect. Now let's make our cat move. Click the cat sprite. Go to the Events category. Find the block that says, when green flag clicked. This block tells Scratch when our program should start. Drag it into the coding area. Now go back to the orange control category. Find the block called :forever. Put it underneath the green flag block. The forever block is a loop. It tells Scratch to keep repeating the instructions inside it. Now go to the blue motion category. Find :move 10 steps. Put it inside the forever block. Now click the green flag. Look at the cat. The cat is moving, and it keeps moving. Why? Because the forever loop keeps repeating the instruction. Now we are ready to add if. Go back to Control. Find the if then block. Put it inside the forever loop, underneath the movement block. Now Scratch can check something again and again. But what should it check? We want Scratch to check if the cat is touching the star. So let's find our question. Go to the light blue sensing category. Look for the block that says touching. This block allows Scratch to check whether the cat is touching something. Drag the touching block into the special space inside if then. Now choose the star from the list. Our question is now, is the cat touching the star? Excellent! Scratch now knows what to check. But we still need to tell Scratch what to do if the answer is yes. Go to the purple looks category. Find the block. Say hello. For 2 seconds, drag it inside the if then block. Change the message to, I caught it. Fantastic! Our code is ready. Let's read what our program is doing. When the green flag is clicked, the program starts. The forever loop keeps running. The cat moves, then Scratch asks, is the cat touching the star? If the answer is no, the cat keeps moving. If the answer is yes, the cat says, I caught it. Let's test our game. Click the green flag. The cat starts moving. Scratch is checking the condition. Is the cat touching the star? Not yet. So nothing happens. The cat keeps moving. Closer. And closer. And now the cat touches the star. Look, the cat says, I caught it. Amazing. Our Scratch project just made a decision. Now let's learn more about loops. What is a loop? A loop means repeating something. Think about jumping. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. You are repeating the same action. In programming, we can ask Scratch to repeat instructions for us. This saves us time. Instead of writing the same instruction again and again, we can use a loop. Scratch has different types of loops. Today, we are going to learn two important ones, forever and repeat. Let's start with forever. The forever loop means keep doing this again and again. We already used it in our cat game. Inside our forever loop, we placed move 10 steps. That means the cat keeps moving. The instruction repeats again and again. Now let's learn about repeat. Sometimes we don't want an action to continue forever. Maybe we want the cat to move 10 times. That's when we use the repeat block. Go to the control category. Find the orange block called repeat 10. This block tells Scratch to repeat the instructions inside it 10 times. Let's try it. Put the move 10 steps block inside the repeat block. Now click the green flag. The cat moves once. Twice. 3 times. And keeps going until it reaches 10 times. Then it stops. So remember, forever means keep repeating. Repeat means repeat a specific number of times. Now let's combine if and loops. This is where things become really exciting. We can put an if block inside a forever loop. Why would we do that? Because we want Scratch to keep checking our condition. Our cat keeps moving, and while the cat is moving, Scratch keeps asking, is the cat touching the star? If the answer is no. The cat keeps moving. If the answer is yes, the cat says, I caught it. This is how many games work. Fantastic job, young coders! Today you learned one of the most important ideas in programming, if-then. You learned how to find the if-then block, create a condition. Make the cat react to the star, add a score. And make the star move to a new position. You are becoming real Scratch programmers. Keep practicing. And most importantly, have fun coding. I'll see you in the next Scratch adventure. Bye-bye, young coders!